Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best dog wheelchairs for enhanced mobility and comfort. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Pet Trolley Adjustable Hind Leg Disabled Pet Dog Mobility Aid. An adjustable mobility aid designed for dogs with hind leg disabilities. Lightweight and easy to use, it supports rehabilitation and enables natural movement during walks. The advantages of this dog wheelchair are: adjustable design for a tailored fit, lightweight and easy to maneuver, supports rehabilitation and muscle maintenance. The disadvantages of this dog wheelchair are: limited to hind leg support, may require frequent adjustments for growing pets. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. VEVOR 2 Wheels Dog Wheelchair for Back Legs. This durable wheelchair offers hind leg support for injured or disabled pets, promoting safe, comfortable mobility with sturdy wheels and adjustable fittings for various dog sizes. The advantages of this dog wheelchair are: sturdy build with durable wheels, adjustable size to fit different breeds, promotes active rehabilitation. The disadvantages of this dog wheelchair are: heavier than some other models, limited to smaller and medium-sized pets. At number 3. 1 PCS Pet Wheelchair Card Adjustable Mobility Aid. Lightweight and portable, this adjustable card assists pets with hind leg challenges, offering gentle mobility support, ideal for daily use and rehabilitation exercises. The advantages of this dog wheelchair are: lightweight for easy handling, adjustable fittings for a customized fit, portable design for travel. The disadvantages of this dog wheelchair are: basic design may lack extra support, not suitable for pets with severe disabilities. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Disability Pet Dog Wheelchair Hind Limb Booster. Made with a durable aluminum alloy frame, this wheelchair is designed for hind leg support, offering exercise and balance assistance for dogs of various sizes and breeds. The advantages of this dog wheelchair are: robust aluminum construction, adjustable for different leg heights, suitable for exercise and rehabilitation. The disadvantages of this dog wheelchair are: can be bulky for smaller pets, not ideal for pets with upper body issues. At number 1. Dog and Cat Hind Leg Wheelchair Adjustable Walker. This all-in-one wheelchair provides adjustable hind leg and hip support, designed for both dogs and cats needing extra mobility assistance. The advantages of this dog wheelchair are: adjustable for both hind leg and hip support, suitable for both dogs and cats, lightweight and easy to maneuver. The disadvantages of this dog wheelchair are: limited to small and medium-sized pets, not designed for all-weather use.